Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 not launching on PC. So this is a really common issue that a lot of guys are facing. Make sure to follow till the end so you don't miss a single step. And also make sure to donate using the link as discussed. Now what are you going to do to fix it? You're going to be going to your library. So we are currently on Steam, and then right click on Call of Duty and go to your local game folder. So you're going to be directing towards where the game is located. Find the code.exe file and left click and highlight, then right click it and go to properties. Inside the properties, we are going to be disabling the full screen optimization. So once you do that, your game should be running. So this is a really popular issue, and I don't know why Modern Warfare 3 is facing this issue, but for some reason, if we have any update, I will let you know, guys. So yeah, for now we have this fix for the game. Just simply disabling your full screen optimizations option, and that is it for this one. I hope you got to learn something new. If you did so, consider donating to our channel. Even a small amount will mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.